Hello, I'm David. I'm Director of MetroStar Vanpool Service. Some of Houston's largest and best-known companies have made Vanpool their reliable commute choice for years. Now, during this particular time of crisis, we continue to see essential employees in healthcare, government, and other fields using STAR for getting to work. We also understand many of you will not need your Vanpool for a while. Staying home and working safe are all our responsibilities as part of our community's well-being. We want you to know we've got you covered while you work from home. If we can help remove a concern about your Vanpool, we do want to hear from you. Please call us at 713-224-RIDE or email star@ridemetro.org. Be safe, stay home if you can, and thank you for choosing MetroStar.